something. I'll take a bit of umbrage here. I'll speak on behalf of my colleagues. I think I can say we are all willing to work with anyone who's serious about doing the work of censoring the American people and advancing progress. But they are not serious.
Did she say what I thought she said about censoring? Isn't it left supposed to be a people about tolerance, acceptance? Oh, for God, yeah, you gotta be locked in step in what they say, because you disagree, there's some consequences. Censoring is one of them. That is so un-American.